Good morning, you beautiful people. This is Jesse Griffiths with Grow Mortgage. And today I want to talk about the current market and what I think is going on. Now, is it the time to purchase a house? You're probably thinking, probably not. Probably the worst time in history to purchase a house. As you can see from our news here, Trading Economics, mortgage applications in the U.S. fell 2.9% in the week of September 1st, 2023, reversing from a 2.3 rise in the previous week and hitting in the lowest level since December 1996. The lowest level of applications since December 1996. So what you're probably thinking is, if less people are applying and everybody else, the growing consensus is not to purchase a house right now, why should you? Well, like most things, when everybody's doing something, you probably should do the opposite, right? So as you can see, this is the chart with the current MBS. Changes in the housing pricing index. As you can see, Florida, supply and demand. You always got to talk about supply and demand. Florida is not building enough houses to keep up with the supply. Record still lows. You need 6 months of supply to have a normal. We're at like 1.5 months supply. So even though some houses are sitting on the market a little longer than normal, than what we perceive normal, it's still low. Supply and demand is still low. So 7.86. As you can see, our real estate market report for Brevard County, the median home price is $369,855 with the appreciation. Looking at a 5-year gain of $65,684. So your house, if you buy it right now for that price, should be $435,539. So those are, everything's still looking up. And once these rates start to drop, you're only going to see people that are sitting on the sidelines jump in and start to purchase. So whatever house that you think you're going to get for this price, and you think you're going to wait, the cost of wait is only going to hurt you. So here's our cost of waiting chart. I put in $350,000 just to kind of have a little number there. As you can see, if you bought the loan today with the loan amount of $280,000 with a 20% down, $70,000, you would probably get a rate around 7.8, somewhere like that today. Waiting, your prices might go down in the next 6 months just a little bit, but waiting 1 year, you're 4% higher. 2 years, 8.1% higher, and then 12% higher after 3 years is what they're anticipating. So if you wait, you're only going to have to put down more money. The rate, who knows where it's going to be, and the amount of equity that you wasted on renting. Say you rent for $2,000 a month, that's $24,000 of equity you could have put into your new house. That's a crazy amount of money. So you can see cost of waiting 1 year, $17,000, 2 years, $33,000. This isn't even taking into the fact that you're blowing money on rent. You're throwing it right down the toilet. So this is the price you're going to have to pay for the new house. That's what it costs you. So as you can see, the rates today are a little bit better than the last time I posted last week. Still pretty high. As you can see, this is the chart that shows just basically the historic rate for the bank rate of what it is. The worst day was back here on 8/22. And that's what I think about the market right now. So the cost of waiting versus getting right now, even though most people aren't in there. And I would say if you're a real estate agent and you're experiencing lower levels of activity and you're going through a hard time, just keep on plugging along, because you are going to be the one that reaps all the benefits of all the hard work you put in once everybody jumps back in. So stay at it, stay positive, and get out there and grind. I hope to see you soon. God bless.